Wait, before you give up on accounting, let me tell you the shocking reason 90% of people fail. And no, it is not because accounting is hard. In fact, the reason is something you've done today without knowing it. Let's talk. See, most people think accounting is this big monster with horns, accounts, ledger, balancing, boom, confusion everywhere. But the truth is, people don't fail accounting because it is difficult. They fail because they learn it in the wrong way. You are trying to understand accounting like a theory, like government, biology, history. But accounting is not theory. Accounting is a language. And if you don't speak the language, everything looks like witchcraft. Here is the real shocker. 90% of people fail accounting because they memorize. Instead of understanding how money moves, they cram definition, they cram formats, they cram ledger layout. But when exam time comes, everything disappears like NEPA light. Accounting is not about cramming. It's about understanding three simple things: where the money is coming from, where the money is going to, and why it moved. Make it feel easy. Think of accounting like your personal life. If you buy food, money left your pocket. If somebody pays you, money entered your pocket. That is accounting. Debit something came in, credit something went out. Simple. But schools teach it like a rocket science, making you draw accounts that look like a football formations. On the debit side of the liability accounts of the reversal contra entry of the Oga, go and rest. If you want accounting to finally make sense, stop cramming. Start learning with the real life examples. Start learning with stories. Start learning with logic, not memory. And if you want more simple, clear, funny accounting videos that even your village people cannot confuse, hit the subscribe button and follow me. I teach accounting in a way even your landlord will understand. Remember, you don't fail accounting because accounting is hard. You fail because nobody explained it well. But don't worry, we go fix am. See you in the next lesson.